Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox avatar editor not working. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox avatar editor not working, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we go to this window of apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list, we'll search about Roblox app. When you'll find it, we click on first stop and you click OK, and then we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about your Roblox, and when you find it, then you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.